Good day. Today we will discuss gender inequality in workplace, a topic under gender and development. Meet Lisa. She is applying for a managerial position in XYZ company that is dominated by men. Lisa has a very outstanding background. She was a summa cum laude, a holder of Masters in Business Administration, has 10 years of working experience, skilled in handling people, proficient, making her very suitable for the position. However, in the interview, the manager told Lisa she is not qualified for the position, and Lisa asked why, because she believed she is capable and suited for the job. And the manager answered, "You are a woman, and a woman can't hold managerial position in this company." Lisa angrily answered, "This is not right and fair." Lisa walked out feeling distressed, mistreated, and injustice served. Lisa experienced what we call gender inequality. Gender inequality happens when a man and a woman is not equal in access to the resources, opportunities, or in power, position, or status in an organization. Inequalities also expand to unequal access to education, financial opportunities, and mostly political platform in any organization, institution, or country. According to statistics, women around the world comprises 47% of the total workforce. However, only 5% are CEOs of big corporations, 29% hold senior position, and on average, women earn less than 20% compared to men. Now, the question is how to promote gender equality. First, be transparent. Second, support women into more senior roles. Third, implement gender-neutral recruitment process. And fourth, review salaries and standardize pay. Fifth, diversify the composition of the board. Six, have a clear policy on discrimination. Seventh, encourage women to progress and growth. And lastly, promote culture of meritocracy.